Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? A plus 2ab plus b is equal to 32. In this equation, we quickly want to use this simple method. Now, let's factor in this left-hand side. That is a plus b plus 2ab is equal to a plus 1 bracket b plus 1 minus 1. Then let's substitute this back for this. Let's substitute a plus b bracket b plus. Let's substitute this value for this. Therefore, we have a plus 1 bracket b plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 32. Then we have a plus 1 bracket b plus 1 is equal to 32. If you take this one to this side, it becomes plus 1. Here we have a plus 1 bracket b plus 1 is equal to 33. Then 33 has the following factor. Let's pair it. We have 1 multiplied by 33. Then 33 multiplied by 1. We have 3 multiplied by 11. And then 11 multiplied by 3. Therefore, let's consider the first pair called pair 1. And this is a plus 1 is equal to 1, and b plus 1 is equal to 33. Then from here, a is equal to 1 minus 1. This is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 0 from the first pair. And let's consider this. B plus 1 is equal to 33. Then b is equal to 33 minus 1. B is equal to 32. This is the value of b from the first pair. Then let's consider the second pair called pair 2, which is this. We've considered this. We have a plus 1 is equal to 33. Then b plus 1 is equal to 1. And from here, a is equal to 33 minus 1. A is equal to 32. Also from here, b plus 1 is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 minus 1. Then b is equal to 0. We finish with the second pair. Let's consider the third pair. From pair 3, that is this, we have a plus 1 is equal to 3. B plus 1 is equal to 11. Let's consider this. A is equal to 3 minus 1. A is equal to 2. Also from here, b plus 1 is equal to 11. B is equal to 11 minus 1. B is equal to 10. Now we are done with the third pair. Now let us consider the last one, which is this. Pair 4. A plus 1 is equal to 11. Then B plus 1 is equal to 3. Now from here, A is equal to 11 minus 1. Then A is equal to 10. Also from here, B plus 1 is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 minus 1. B is equal to 2. Therefore, our final answers are A, B is equal to the first one, we have 0, 32. Then the second pair, we have 32, 0. The third pair, we have 2, 10. And then the last pair, we have 10, 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.